Hello everyone. Welcome to Origami Joy channel. Today we are going to fold a cute little rabbit. Prepare a square sheet of paper. Alright, let's get started. First, flip it over. Fold the two corners together. Unfold. Fold these two corners together. Unfold. Rotate it. Fold the bottom corner to the center. Fold the top corner to the center. Fold the bottom edge to align with the center line. Fold the top edge to align with the center line. Fold the left corner to the center. Unfold. Fold the right corner to the center. Unfold. Fold the left corner to the right point. Unfold. Fold the right corner to the left. Unfold. Flip it over. Fold down along the dashed line. Fold up along the dashed line. Flip it over. Fold the left corner to the right. Fold along this line to the right. Fold the bottom up. Fold a triangle on the left. Fold the top down. Fold a triangle on the left. Rotate it. Fold it upwards. Then fold the top down along the dashed line. Fold into a triangle. Fold this corner. Fold up along the dashed line. Fold down again. Fold the bottom to align with the center. Do the same on the right side. Fold this corner inward. Do the same on the right. Watch my hands for this fold. Fold the bottom corner here. Unfold. Fold the bottom corner here again. Fold this part inward. Flip it over to see the effect. Now get some glue. Flip it over. Apply some glue here. And apply some here too. Find a black pen to draw the eyes. Draw the mouth. Draw the cheeks. Color the cheeks with a red pen. If you like our video, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.